Hi, I'm Carrie Lawless. I'm here in Ponchatoula today and I have a charming 3-bedroom, 2-bath home to show you. This house is practically brand new. It was built just 4 years ago. Open floor plan, high ceilings, charming curb appeal, so much to offer. Let's go in and take a look. I love the entryway of this home. So it's a very long hallway and it has 9-foot ceilings. Now, as we step in and I go to the right, the first thing we come to is extra storage. There's really nice wood shelving throughout this closet, providing lots of extra space, which I love. Now we're coming to the first of the 3 bedrooms. There's a lot of space in here. I love the 9-foot ceilings. It really adds to the spaciousness of the room, and it also has a walk-in closet. All right, on to bedroom 2. Now, the next room is right across the hall, and I love how much space is in this room. There is a queen-size bed over here, and then this huge corner work desk. There's so much space, and there's even a really nice size walk-in closet there. Now, as we step back into the hallway, we come to the end and we are in the shared bath. Again, this is a great space. It has granite countertops, a really nice size spacious vanity, and then a tub shower combination. All right, still lots more to see. Stepping out of the hallway, we're now moving back into the foyer, which leads us into this huge living room. I love this space so much for so many reasons. First of all, we have 10-foot ceilings. That really helps add to that spaciousness. Now, right over here to my left, I like this little nook because this could be a great space for an extra little desk, work area, or even a nice console table with a piece of art. We're moving into the living area though. In this, I want you to notice how much furniture can fit in this space. So much room for seating and entertaining, relaxing. There are 2 oversized pieces of furniture here and still room for more. And on this TV wall here, you could accommodate any size TV. Now, another thing that I love so much is this back wall of windows. It goes all the way across both spaces and just floods this room with natural light. Now, the open floor plan is amazing, and I love this counter height bar. It allows for so much additional seating. There's room here very comfortably for 4 bar stools. How nice is that? Now, another thing I love about this counter area is that it allows a lot of room for entertaining, prep, eating, you name it. There is room for everything here. And then this massive countertop goes all the way around. So we've got granite countertops, stainless appliances, and I love the warmth of the dark espresso cabinets. All right, so to finish off this part of the tour, we've got a really nice size pantry here, and then a really nice dining area, flooding again the room with natural light. We've got also access to the patio, which we'll see in just a little while, because that backyard is fabulous. But let's finish the rest of the house. Another great thing about this house is the split floor plan. So now we're all the way on the other side of the house and we're in the primary bedroom. Wow, what a spacious room this is. This is a king-size bed, 2 oversized nightstands, a dresser, a chest, and comfortably still room for a little more. Also, they've got the 2 windows there just letting in all that natural light with a beautiful view of that backyard. Now, the ensuite bath is also very, very spacious. Love this. We have the dual vanity with the granite countertops, again, the warm espresso cabinetry, the tub shower combination, and then behind me is a really great walk-in closet. It literally goes all the way across, so much room for your things, and there's even a linen closet right behind this door. All right, so much to offer. Let's keep going. The laundry is located conveniently right across from the primary bedroom. So there's a lot of space in here. Some of the things I really like about it is that you have this really nice cabinet, this great shelf, room to hang your things as you're hanging them up. And there's also a nice broom closet in here, again with the wood shelving for all of your extra things. And there's a really nice 2-car garage right there behind me. Let's go check out the outside. There's a lot to love about this outdoor entertaining space. So first of all, it's a covered concrete patio, and there's plenty of room here for seating for 4, in addition to even having space for your grill. The yard itself is absolutely huge. It's fenced all the way around. There's so much potential here for whatever it is that you want to do. And there's even rear yard access with a side gate with parking for your boat or trailer. There's so much to see. This is a great house. Make your appointment today. My name is Carrie Lawless.